Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Tata Investment Corporation Limited. So the company is primarily engaged in business of investment in listed and unlisted equity shares, debt instruments and mutual funds, etc. And this company is the most important holder of other Tata companies. So it's a NBFC registered under category of investment company. So investing in the stock is like investing in all other Tata companies. So approximately, if you hold a share of Tata Investment Corporation, then you are holding 23,000 worth of Tata Group shares. So it's a great company, and currently the company's book value is around 3,800 rupees. We can consider this as a good and positive point. So for recent times, the company has low ROE, but it's fine, and this company is good for long term, and it has a good dividend yield also. So you can consider investing in the stock for long term. And currently the stock looks bullish for short term. So for short term, the stock has potential to give almost 15% upside. Just enter the stock at current market price and one can expect a good rally for short term. And the stock is also good for long term. Just understand the financials of the company before entering the stock for long term. So let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So this is the monthly chart of Tata Investment Corporation Limited. So let me draw the most important trend lines that govern the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and the stock shows the stock is in a good uptrend and the stock is in a primary trend. So we can consider this as a positive sign. And let me draw one more trend line for the stock. So this can be considered as a good breakout, and we can consider this as a bullish sign for the stock. So the breakout shows the stock is bullish on the monthly chart. So we can consider this as a bullish sign for long term. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So let me clear all the lines to understand further. So now let me draw a trend line to understand the rally. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and the stock is just respecting the trend line. So we can consider this as a bullish sign in the weekly chart. So the stock is making a good higher high and higher low formation. So we can consider this as a bullish and positive sign for the stock. So this can be considered as a good resistance trend line, and the stock just gave a breakout right now. So we can consider this as a good breakout, and after a breakout the stock just took a retracement. So we can consider this as a good retracement. So currently the stock looks bullish, and one can consider going long in the stock for short and long term. So for long term, you just understand the financials of the company, and for short term the stock looks bullish. One can take entry at current market price and expect the price range of 1,700 to 1,800 as a target for the stock. So now let's move to the daily chart to understand the feasibility of the target. But before moving to the daily chart, hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group you can ask your doubts regarding any stock. We will be answering it as soon as possible. So now let's move to the daily chart. So look at the 200-day exponential moving average here. So the yellow line represent 200-day exponential moving average. So currently after hitting the 200-day exponential moving average, the stock shows some reversal. So we can consider this as a positive sign. And look at the breakout here. So it's a breakout, and after hitting the weekly support and after hitting the weekly trend line, the stock just started moving higher, and now it also gave a breakout. So we can consider this as a good and positive sign. So taking entry at current market price is advisable, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 1,550 for a safe entry, and the price range of 1,750 can be taken as the most primary target. So from the price range of 1,720 to 1,750 can be taken as the most primary target in the stock. So taking entry at current market price can yield you almost 18% upside, and taking entry above the price range of 1,050 can reduce the profitability, and it also took a support around 200 exponential moving average. So we can consider this as a bullish sign, and going long in the stock is fine. Taking entry at current market price is fine, but one should have a strict stop loss to ride the trend, and use 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average to ride the trend, and just exit the stock if the stock faces a huge resistance around the price range of 1,750, and breakout of the price range of 1,750 can trigger a further rally. So the stock's book value is around 3,800, so we can expect a good upside rally in the stock for short and long term. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.